Alright, so we were just at a nearby grocery store to pick up a few things. And I just want to show you kind of what a Thailand grocery store looks like. Very neat and organized. So these prices for like US dollars, pretty much like times 3. So that'd be like $1.50. At least that's how I kind of remember. So that'd be like 75 cents. Very well organized here, very clean. Oh, look at the fish. Wow. Nice looking fish. Many different choices of meat. Wow, huge carrots. So we just finished using the restrooms here in the mall, and I thought I'd show you. It's kind of interesting. You usually have to pay to use the restroom. So here it's 5 baht, which is around like 15 cents. And it's different usually each location. Sometimes it's 10, but it's usually 5 or 10. It's like artwork wherever you go. It's like spotless clean in here in the malls. You got some massages over there. All right, so we're just making a quick stop here. And then next we're gonna try out the metro system. We're gonna try the train, and we're gonna go to a park, and then maybe just take a little walk after that. So we're just kind of not making too many plans, just kind of make it up as we go. But so far it's pretty cool. Is it interesting seeing everything so different here?
Yes.
Like what's some of the things that pop in your mind that is very different or about the same? Anything
Like
so far?
Language?
Language, yes.
Yes, it's very new to me when I walk. It's weird when hearing not my language.
Yeah, it is. That's one of the things, like you walk into a room you don't understand anyway, and that's probably your first time experiencing something like that. Well, like that's probably one of the first things that if you're a traveler, your first time noticing that, it's like, man, I don't understand anybody.
Yeah. We learn one word only.
And what's that?
Kapunka.
Kapunka.
It's
So that's
thank you.
yes.
Yeah.
So now we're just going to go to the train station and see how that operates. I was gonna race her. We just came out of the mall. As soon as you walk out, there's fresh fruits everywhere, different stalls. On that side too, some bananas. It's chicken feet. Alright, so now we made it back to the street, and we should be almost to the metro. It said a 6-minute walk, but I think we took the long way going through the alleys like that. But that's interesting walking through that. Alright, that sun is bright, but here is the MRT that we're gonna try to take. And we are here, where are we? Right there. And then we're gonna go over here to see this park. We're going to the middle of the earth.
Underground.
48 baht. These are the important things. So one for Richie.
อุ้ย ต้องแตะก่อนนะคะแตะ
All right, we set up the alarm. So we're gonna walk pretty swiftly so the police don't come.
because we go in and only one.
It's like we're in a totally different world now. We're
Yeah.
underneath Bangkok right now. The MRT. Very cool down here. So if you are coming to Bangkok, the MRT is a really good transportation option. We tried them all so far, almost. But anyways, for this one, there's different platforms. This is 2, there's 1, 3, and there's different ones. But to know which one you're at, you just find where you're going. And today we're going here. So we know it's 1, 2, 3, about 4 stops away. So if you're going to a different area, you can go down even more to a different layer. So we made it. We're just waiting for the train to come now.
โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากรถ Lumpini Station. Please mind the gap between train and platform.
I'll back up. Alright guys, so welcome to Lumpini Park. Pretty nice relaxing area. There's a little pond over there we're about to walk to. Nobody's here right now. I bet a lot of people come here during the evening
Yeah, nighttime
when the
I
sun
can
goes
see.
down. Yeah.
There's a like Christmas lights.
Yeah. So here's another lizard over here, land bound. So the lizards that we saw here are called water monitor lizards, and there's about 400 in this park here.
Yeah.
So we saw 2 in the last like 2 minutes. They can grow between 1 and 3 meters in length. So that's pretty big for lizards. So hopefully see some more. So these lizards actually are everywhere. Another one just went this way. Another one is right there on that tree. And look, there's another one over there. And a turtle.
Oh yeah.
There's a turtle there.
Yeah.
A lizard and a lizard.
Wow.
That is so awesome.
Camouflage.
Yeah. You couldn't even see it until you come over here. Alright, so Richie's gonna walk out there and pet him. Whenever you're ready. I hope you guys can see this turtle. He is totally relaxed and comfortable. His head is like propped up that way, his arms are just dangling down, and his back feet are like straight up in the sky. That's probably his favorite spot. There's another one in the tree, Richie.
Oh.
See that up there? So there's one there, there,
Ooh,
there,
look at the mouth.
and then the turtle.
It's hungry.
He's looking at Richie and going,
It's gonna eat me.
Alright, so here's another one swimming this way. And there's one over there. This is the kind of fun. You walk around and they're really everywhere. So here's one swimming our way. Richie's the bird whisperer. All right, so we just saw a squirrel. If we can find it again, it'll be Richie's first time seeing a squirrel. See it up there?
Yeah.
So they do have squirrels in Thailand. Last time we got little tokens, this time we got a card. What do you want to put in my pocket?
Magic.
Yes. So last time we were underground, this time we're above ground. And this is what it looks like here. Lots of different little shops. Hello. All right, so we found a boat to take us to Chinatown.
You sit down over there. Yeah.
Very nice.
Nice.
Woo!
Only us.
Only us on here. So being close to the river like this, there's many different options of transportation. You can take the boat, and then you can take the tuk-tuk, land, taxi. Pay now?
Yeah.
All right. So for this, it's 300, and that's around. You're very welcome. Thank you. That's around like $9 US about. So, you know, just for the experience though, it's pretty cool. Is it okay if I drive? Can I drive? Pretty cool. What's your name? Thing? Thing. Nice to meet you, Thing. I'm Dustin. And Richie. Richie. Yes. And Thing. All right. All right, I'm trying to get Richie to stand out here. Hold really tight to the rail. Pretty nice out here, huh? Here's the best driver in Thailand, Mr. Thing.
Oh, forgot.
Alright, so from here, Richie, we do have to jump out in the water and swim. Thank you, Thing! See you later! Bye-bye! Hold on tight to that bar. Alright! Awesome! Thank you! Bye-bye! Alright, so what a ride. Very cool. Alright guys, so we made it back. From here, I think we're just gonna walk back and take a rest for the rest of the night. But we had a very fun day. Did you have a fun day today?
Yes.
Yeah, it was kind of a little mix of everything. We got to ride the metro, up and lower train, and then the park was really nice. We got to see a lot of those water lizard.
But I have a question.
Oh, what's your question?
How do you call like this? What do you call this one? Ocean, lake,
River.
river?
Yeah.
It's a huge river.
Yeah, it is. It's really big.
It was fun at the lake.
Yeah. So today was very fun. Yeah, that was
My
cool.
first time in
Yeah.
a huge river.
Yeah. So another good experience of the day. So very cool. What was your favorite part of the day today?
The boat.
The boat, yeah.
Yeah. And also the train.
Yeah.
Yes. It's also an experience.
Yeah. And then seeing those lizards was cool. I didn't know there was gonna be so many.
Oh yeah, the park too. I think all of it.
We ended up seeing probably 30
Yeah.
or 40 those lizards. They're all over the place. The first few were like, wow, and then after a while they're just everywhere. It's hard to keep count anymore.
I think all of it today.
Yeah, I think so too. It was good. It was kind of unplanned today, so those are fun days to have, not plan anything and just go. So, alright, so I guess we'll say goodbye from here.
Yes, and
yeah,
thank
we'll
you so
see
much
you
for
another
watching.
day. Yeah, thanks for watching guys. We'll see you later.
See you another day. Thank you for watching.
Bye.